Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the trend tracker indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the trend tracker indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 60 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 774 indicators, with 313 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So we'll go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 18 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the trend tracker indicator. And this particular indicator here gives us these buy and sell signals. And so when we get a red arrow like this here, it says potential entry. That is where we took the short signals in the original testing video. And then of course, when we got the green arrows with potential entry, that's where we took the long entries in the original testing video. In that original video, I think it only did 8 trades within the 1 year's time. And so we did have to drop this down to a lower time frame. And so we dropped it down to a 10-hour time frame, and we did adjust the stop and take profit to match the lower time frame, or well, not really match, but I think we cut it in half. And so anything down to I believe it's a 5-hour time frame, the take profit and stop is cut in half. Anything under that we then cut it by a quarter, basically, is where we set it at. And so like I said, here's an example of a short signal right here. So we get that potential entry red arrows there, and you can see that we got a nice push to the downside there. That did come down and get to our take profit there. We didn't pick up a long signal right over here on this one. That is a really large bar right there, and so we pretty much immediately start to pull back into this area here, and it does come down and would have stopped us out. So in this case, that particular one there would have been a losing trade. We do have another short entry over here on this here, and again, like this one, we get a signal there to go short, and then immediately we start to push back to the upside, and so that one would have also gotten us stopped out. And then lastly, a long signal right here, and very similar. Pretty much immediately we start to, immediately we start to push straight down off of that signal there, and that one would have gotten us stopped out as well. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and do a sped up testing. So I'll play the 50 trade test that I did sped up for the sake of time, and we'll pick this up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve over the advanced testing. Alright, so before we take a look at what this was able to achieve over the advanced testing, I'd like to go give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It's free to join, and you can hang out and take advantage of any of the discussions in any of the other channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel here set up for our patrons. And we post some really great advanced information here for all the patrons to take advantage of. For example, this is Sasquatch, one of our members here. He's an amazing Forex prop trader. He is putting up charts pretty much every single day the Forex market is open, where he has marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. Here's some analysis that he has done kind of in advance to this week's trading of the Forex market. But if we scroll back here, we can see some other charts where, again, he has marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. Here's one where he has it set up where he has the trade itself in advance, showing exactly where the entry is, the stop is, and the take profit. And our admin Jay is also posting charts like this, but for the futures market. Some really great advanced information here for everybody to take advantage of. And so even if you're not specifically looking to trade price action and support and resistance style trading, knowing how to mark up a chart with these areas of interest, support and resistance, highs and lows, and so on, is extremely important to know how to do that, so you can see how it may interact with whatever trading system you may be looking to use. And so highly recommend that you join us here, take advantage of the information that we are putting out for everybody to see there. All right, back to our indicator here. All right, so 50 trades, we got 23 winners, and that puts us at a 46% win rate. And so that's not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Interesting enough, some of probably one of the biggest issues with this indicator is that if I scroll back here kind of through the whole testing, you see that it misses a lot of the trading and finds these weird little clusters of trades like these right here. And like I said, all the while, there is a lot of really valuable trading taking place that you could take advantage of that this indicator doesn't seem to really be acknowledging at all, which I find kind of strange. And then when it does pick up one of these areas of trading, just throws a whole bunch of signals at it really fast before it then goes dead again for a while and then picks it up again and does the same thing. So really strange indicator all in all, especially on a lower time frame. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.